Hey guys, making a video on the fridge. This is what your door is supposed to do. And here's what my refrigerator door is doing. Yeah, gonna fix that. And what we need for the job is, of course, a door cam to replace it with, and it looks like it's a 5/16 socket. So I'm gonna start on it now. Okay, got everything off the door. If you got 150 pounds worth of condiments in your door, the cams will wear out pretty fast. This is my second one in a year. Okay, so the first thing I did was loosen the bolt in here, and this comes off. And then I started loosening these, but you got these three bolts right here on the top. I'm going to loosen those, come back to you. Okay, I got those out. Just going to take this off, and the door should just come right off. Just take a video at the same time. Yeah, here we go. Hold on. Okay. So now the door is off. Let's take a look at that cam. Yeah, it looks pretty worn out. So I'm going to undo this nut right here, or bolt I mean, and put the new cam on. Be right back. Okay, looks like everything I've done so far is all 5/16. So there's that, and then that's, gosh, that thing is just worn out bad. So I'm going to clean this up a little, and then I'll put the new one on. Okay, also, since I almost forgot, there is another cam on the bottom of the door. Just take this bolt out right here. Get out. Or fight with me the whole time, whatever. Let's see. Alright, let me get a screwdriver and pry that out. Obviously a little bit dirty, but I did pry it with a screwdriver, and then it just slides out. So if you look, I don't know how good you can see it, slid the new cam in there, put the bolt on, go ahead and finger tighten that, throw the wrench on it. There we go. Get that tightened. Do the new cam on this one. Not much to it. And I don't think I'm going to be able to do it one-handed. I'm going to put the door back on and give it a test. So we'll see where that goes. Alright, got the door back on. It just held in place by the magnet and the suction of the fridge, so I slid this top. Sorry. Just slid this back in. And grab the screws. FYI, I don't know if you're supposed to, but I did lubricate the cams because I didn't do it last time and it seemed like they wore out really super fast, so just want to get one of these in here, but I can't see. Just not quite tall enough. Just gonna tighten this one down decently tight, nothing crazy, just to give it a test. And we will now see the finished result. Let's see if it actually works like it's supposed to. So you give it a little shove to close, So far so good. I'm gonna throw a couple 100 pounds on it and see if it still works. All right, got the fridge door loaded up again, 150 pounds on it. If my wife knows I made this video, she's gonna kill me. Anyways, let's give it a whirl. Oh wow, it works. That's nice. One more thing too. That's just perfect. That's what I wanted to do. One other thing I did before I forget is before I tighten this down, I pulled the door, you know, I pulled it this towards me and tried to get it lined up perfectly right here. And it's pretty close. I was more concerned about the gap all the way down than, you know, obviously once I loaded it, it set it down a little bit lower, but maybe I'll adjust it, maybe I won't. Anyway, that's how you do it. Pretty easy. Took about maybe 15 minutes tops. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.